Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to draw the Roblox logo. They've just changed it in August 2022 and I had a young man named Carter come to my painting class today and he painted an awesome Roblox logo, so keep an eye out for that later in the video. Now, so the logo itself is just over 21.5 centimeters, so I'm ruling a straight line there, and it should be, let's have a measure, 35 high. So I'm setting up a box of 35 high, 35 millimeters I'm talking. Bit of measurement here. So let's have a look at this. It's 32 millimeters. So the R comes across 32. Just going to put a little box there. Freehand that. Now you can see that there's not much of a space there, so I'm going to come across 2 millimeters, and I reckon that comes up about 5. So 5 millimeters up. Putting a little dot there because that's that corner of there. Now let's have a look at how far from the end. This is 65. 65. So if we go 65, but it's actually, if you look at my ruler, there's actually a little bit down there, so it's only a couple mils down below there. So I'm going to put a dot there. That's the corner of the O, and I'm going to draw that line in there already so you can see it. Now let's measure across and up to here. It's 43. So if we go 43 across, about there, and if we look and see how far above that is, it's about 3 millimeters. So if I come up 3 millimeters there, that's the other corner of the O. So we've got that, it's like a square on a lean. Now if we come across here, that's 73 millimeters. 73. Now how far below this line is it? If I put a line, a little guideline there, it's about 5 millimeters down, so that is the corner. So here we have our O, which is a square. Make sure it all looks good. Now how wide is that? It's about 12, 12, 12. So if we go 12 millimeters, put a dot there. For each 4 sides, if we do 12, 12, 12, and 12. So basically, if I come across here, I'm just going to freehand that. That's the O for Roblox. The R, we have about 11 mils there. 11 mils from the edge of here. We come up about a centimeter up to here. So I'm just going to rule a line up through there and a centimeter. Bring it across and then down, and then this comes up from here and then it curves around like so. That's the front of the R, and then from the back of here we're going to come around like this. Now let's go with the B. Check that there's a little gap there of about 4. So let's put that across there. Straight down we come. Let's have a look at how wide the B is. 32 at its widest point from there. So I'm just going to put a line here. Now my kids have played Roblox. I think they like the murder mystery, and they also like some of the other games in there. What's your favorite? You might want to comment below which one is your favorite to play. Okay, we're going to curve this around here and curve that around here like so. This is the B. Again, it could be the same thickness, so they're about 12, so I'm assuming that one's about 11 or 12 coming in from the edge. So if I do another guideline coming down, and then we bring this around like this, and another one down here. We've got the Rob, and let's put a little bit of about a 5 mil spacer there. Let's see how wide the L is. It's only 25. It's a thinner letter. So come across about 25. Come up. You guessed it. About 11 to 12 mils there. And draw a line coming across. And I would imagine that this is the same. 11 or 12 mils there. Draw a vertical line coming down. Now, let's have a look at the O. There's not much of a space and the diameter is about 35. So let's go with a 2 mil gap. 2 mil gap and come across 35. I'm going to leave that for now. Now you can see that the X, if I draw a line up there, is right on the edge of that circle. So the X actually starts just, I'm going to put a line there, that's where the X starts, and it is 38 wide. Did I get my, oh, I got my measurements pretty good. You guessed it, that's about 11 there, 11 there, 11 there, about 11 here as well. Now what we should be able to do is go from this corner to there. Yep, we should be able to rule a line there and go from that corner to that one. And from here to up there, and then from there down to that corner. And there we have our X. Now, we could find something that's circular to do there, or we could freehand it. It's really up to you what you want to do. I'm going to see if I can sort of guide it on with a bit of freehanding. There we go. And this is about 11 mil gap. Now looking at that, looks reasonably good. I'm just concentrating on my circles. I'm going to outline this with a Copic multi-liner 0.5. And I'm just going to freehand it in. And let's speed up the video. Hey, let's check out Carter's awesome painting he did of the Roblox symbol. I love the way he used bright colours and colour blended. Well done, mate. Hey, which Roblox logo do you think is the best that they've had? Because they've had quite a few. Comment below. And thanks again. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye. See ya.